Great morning. If you hear my voice, I sound like I'm honking like a goose this morning. You know, I'm up and on the road at 7:30 now. You know, I'm just on my way back home. First thing I do when I get there, I'm going to grab some Epsom salt, take a big hot soak in the tub, and just chill out, because I am just feeling like death warmed over this morning. Wow. Last night I stayed at a Flying J. Flying J is a good one, you know, if you're on the road. I like staying at the truck stops, and here's why. It's open all night. You can go in, use the toilets. I mean, at this place, if you're so inclined, they had pizza, they had Cinnabons fresh made this morning. They have all sorts of coffee. I made some coffee, you know, this morning. And I took the puppies out. I got there 5:30. I took them out about 5:36. You know, by then it's already dark. So I took them out for then, and came back and rested for a while, slept for a while, and then took them out again about 11:30. Went back to sleep. Again, excuse me. I sound lovely this morning. And then took them out again about 3, 4 in the morning. And that tends to work really well. Now, again, I like the truck stop because you've got some light there. I was parked right next to a grassy area, so that worked out well. So took them out, and again was able to run in, use the restrooms, and made my coffee, etc. I think it's more well lit than it is at some of the rest areas, and the rest areas have a time constraint on them a lot of times. So I have just found, you know, also at the truck stops too, you can go in and you can buy a shower. So yeah, all of that's available. So I just think that the truck stops are a good option. I would rather do that than spending the time out on some road where there's nobody around and you just don't know, you know, pitch black out there. So, you know, I put my window coverings all on and everything. Nobody can see in here. Now, I did just order the WeatherTech ones. They will be here around the 21st or 22nd. So they're professionally fitted, etc. for this car. The ones I'm using now are kind of a pain to put in there. They work and it insulates the car. So those are good to have. Yeah. But anyway, going back, I'm taking 5. It's not exciting out here. 5 is really boring when you get out here. It's just, it's quicker, but there's really nothing to see. There's a hawk up there. It's a very boring drive out across here, but I don't care right at the moment. I just want to get back because I feel so bad at the moment. I messed up my shoulder too when I fell. I forgot all about it. I had broken my shoulder before. I had a motorcycle. Kind of an accident thing, and I totally broke the shoulder, the bone. And so when I fell, I wrenched things, and it's just really where that bone had been broken is aching, and I think it just has to do that it irritated everything in there, and the weather, the cold, everything is just affecting it. So, yeah, we'll see. I couldn't lay on it last evening. It was very painful. Oh my God. My hair is taking so long to grow out. It's still just sticking out like a cockatoo. Yeah, I'm trying to let it grow longer so it'll, so I could do something with it. Yeah, the other way is so easy. Just, every week you just take it, cut it. It takes you a few seconds and it's so easy to do. I kept it like that. I had it for a year, 2 years, something like that. Very simple, easy, but, I'm thinking maybe this time I'm going to let it grow. Oh, my God. I'm just hoping I don't get walking pneumonia again. I had that once, and I was coughing so hard that I broke 3 ribs. I cracked 3 ribs. That was so painful. Oh my Lord. But I can feel, a bit of the tightness in the chest and stuff area when I take a deep breath now. I don't feel any kind of congestion really in there, but I do feel a tightness from it. So I'm not sure exactly what's going on, all I can do is just continue to head back and then take it easy, have a lot of bone broth, etc., and get healed up again so that I can take off on my next adventure. I'm telling you, just sore. Now I did get a spa day for a Christmas gift, and I definitely will use that later. I don't think I'll use it right when I get back, because whatever I've got, I don't want to pass on to somebody else. But I am looking forward to using it. Oh my goodness. side somewhere, laying down, chilling. Now, Miss Lily was hungry this morning, so she ate some of the dry food. I gave it to her first thing this morning. So she's got a full little tummy and is resting back there. I've got to go back anyway because Miss Lily needs to be spayed. She's already come into her first heat, and so, you know, that's something that needs to get done. Not looking forward to that because she's so tiny, but yeah, we have to get that done. Anyway, I'm going to leave this here. It's a bit difficult for me to talk. And I just want to concentrate on getting down the road and so I can get home and recuperate. And then I'm going to repack here. I mean, a lot of stuff that I took with me, I haven't used at all. So those things I know I can get rid of. I brought a suitcase with extra clothes and stuff which I don't need to bring. So that's going to go. I've got that great big blanket that I had bought that was plug-in electric blanket, which you can't use, so that's just taking up a lot of space. So a lot of things in here that really can be taken out, and I didn't need them at all. So this extended quick trip has showed me the things that are essential to have and things that I wound up really not needing at all. So yeah, I'll do some readjusting when I get back home. And now I'm going to sign off, me and my froggy voice here today. And just keep pedaling down the way. Get rid of these. Time I can put on my other glasses. Just going to keep heading back ASAP. So thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you online.